Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW M340i in Alpine white with the Tacora red interior. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW M340i LCI2 in Alpine white. I just hit unlock so we can get the headlights going. And while we're here, here's what the key looks like. I'm just going to press and hold panic so we can get the pathway lighting, which is the full low beam system. And yeah, this one is Alpine white. I'm going to do a lap all the way around the vehicle. And once we get all the way around, we're definitely going to have a chance to take a closer look at all the details. So without further ado, let's do it. We have the beautiful Alpine white here. We've got the four body lines coming down the hood. We've got the rondelle up front. We've got the one-piece blacked out kidney grille in high gloss black with those new honeycomb grille from the LCI1 in 2023. And we've got the inverted L-shaped taillights there. I love on the M340i that the tow hook is behind this panel and it doesn't look like there's any tow hook spot at the front. And with no front plate on the front, the car looks so clean. I really like this. And you can also see we've got the active grille shutters back there that will open when the car needs to breathe further and will close for better aero. So front end of the 3 Series, love it. When we come to the side, you'll see that we have the new wheels for 2025. These are the 19-inch double spoke 995M wheels in jet black with the red M Sport brake there. These wheels are chunky. They've grown on me much more than before. I prefer skinnier spokes to show off more of that caliper, but it's still good. Canadian market gets the M badging on the fender, and we've got this cutting body line that swoops up through the doors. We have black M wing mirrors with the integrated turn signal. This one's got the camera on the side as well. Sunroof up top, new style antenna, side profile. Look at that, sports sedan, looks amazing. And there's the rear 995M wheel, and look at this. There's a little thing there. I don't think I've seen this on M340i before. Anyway, we have the black spoiler on the trunk lid. And the back end, we've got the L-shaped tail lights, brushed aluminum M340i badging. We've got the freeform exhaust with the vertical reflectors on each side, rear diffuser, and just a quick peek underneath there. Since we're at the back, I've got the key. Whoop! Let me just kick my foot underneath. So this can open up the hands-free way. Once this opens up, we have some carpeted mats. There's the front plate bracket. We've got some release levers on each side to fold down the seats in a 60/40 split. Grocery bag hanger over here. Plastic storage bin on that side. Wheel lock keys, tow hook, tire inflator kit, all that stuff in there. And this net can come up. They all come down from the factory. There's a button here to close, another one to close and lock. But I will kick my foot underneath the car to have this close the hands-free way. Nice. Passenger side, we've got the fuel cap door. Press that open. It is 93 octane, it says in there. I've been seeing that on the M340i's. I'm sure this is actually 91 octane, but it says 93. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot here to put this, and we're done. Just clockwise, one click. We have touch comfort access on all 4 door handles. So let me open up that back door. Inside, you'll see that we have galvanic controls, ambient light, Harman Kardon sound system, pockets on the door, and here's the Tacora red Sensatech interior. Headrests are adjustable. Center one can flip down, pass through the center. Armrest with cup holders in the center as well. We have lower anchors and tethers for child safety seats, also known safety seats, not safety feet, also known as ISOFIX. And we have some vents on the back of the center console, rear climate controls, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, and there's more vents down here. And up top, we have some lights. We also have the handle on each side with the coat hanger. So let's shut this door and we'll open up the front passenger door next. All right, so if we open up the front passenger door, you'll see that we have the nice Tacora red door card. Ambient light is here, Harman Kardon, and we also have the galvanic controls, aluminum M dorsal, full power seat with lumbar, carbon fiber interior trim, leather on the dash with some stitching. And let's just take a quick look at these beautiful seats. Headrest is adjusted forwards and backwards manually and up and down. We've got the glove box down here. iDrive operating system 8.5. Down here there's a wireless charger, cup holders, USB-A, and 12-volt plug. iDrive controller, gear selector, start button, Tacora red armrest, USB Type-C in there. Let's shut that just so we can get the full effect. Let's open up the door on the other side next. All right, so open this up. Inside of here, windows were just tinted. Button that makes it so only the driver controls the windows. All 4 windows, 1 touch up, 1 touch down. Side mirror controls are here. Fold in the side mirrors. Memory, unlock, lock, tailgate release. Aluminum M dorsal, full power seat with lumbar once again. And yes, there's a cloth here. We have the flat bottom steering wheel with the M tricolor stitching. M at 6 o'clock, red marker at 12 o'clock. Head-up display. And this one does have the 360 cam. So there it is. So it does have automatic back park, automatic parallel park. And if I take a quick peek, so in terms of driving, I'm pretty sure this car just has good old-fashioned regular cruise control, which is all this car really needs. And we have the universal garage door openers on the underside of the rearview mirror. And up top, the visors can come down. The light turns on with the mirror, and that's the sunroof opening from the inside. So down here, 2 pulls, 1, 2. So let's have a look under the hood. So we don't have to find anything, we just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline 6 twin power turbo with mild hybrid. So we actually have 384 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque, positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, washer fluid goes there. What an absolute beast. And we also have 2 latches underneath the hood. So these just have to close at the same time to close properly, just like that. Okay, so let's do a lap all the way around before we conclude the video. Alpine white on Tacora red with red brakes, black wheels. That's always a great combo. I really like how the spec looks. I'm tempted to get a 3 Series at some point, but with inventory levels dwindling and prices increasing, I don't know. I also like the design of the 2 Series coupe much better, but this is an absolute fantastic vehicle, and I think I just need to get one at some point. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW M340i X-Drive sedan in Alpine white with the Tacora red interior with M Sport Pro package. This car is awesome. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's at Alan BMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.